Hi, and thanks for visiting on this video. Today we're gonna unboxing brand new iMac 27 inches, and additionally for you I'm added little bit tip or little bit secret why on my brand new iMac you can find sealed with not really original tape. I know a little bit tricks, so when you're planning to buy or purchase yours, you should stay and watch my video, so maybe will helpful for you. So let's start it, guys. I'm gonna now unboxing for you the new iMac. I'm so excited too, so we must to start it straight away, just now. So what I'm doing now is I'm opening the box. Yeah, this is the box when you will get your keyboard with mouse. So now we just try to remove. So yeah, this is iMac. Okay guys, so this is the best part of this video. Let's put the new iMac 27 on my desk and arrange the rest. So if you're planning to buy new iMac 27 and you don't want to wasting time for waiting 1 month because of the upgrade, but you definitely need different keyboard, but as well must be British or your region, so you can just do it in store straight away. It's simple. You just go to the store, you say that you want to order your new iMac, and once you have it, then you asking for upgrade in the store. As you can see, I have here different keyboard. It's the Magic keyboard with numlock. Is that because I really like to upgrade it, and that is the reason why I have the brown tape on my iMac's box, because there is I must to remove the small version and then give me brand new Magic Keyboard with Numlock. Is just one option which you can do for only £30 in every Apple store, which I will recommend you. Many stores and many advisors there will tell you, sorry, we can do that, we can just do online. So just say that you call it and they told you that they can do in the store and change and can give you the Numlock keyboards without any problems. Okay, so this is the keyboard. This is my, oh my god. Normally you will wait 1 month to upgrade for the Numlock, but if you do it like I told you, so you will save a lot of time and you will pay only £30 for this upgrade. So this is the solution for you, which I suggest you to do it, that you just go to the store and order there your iMac, and you're gonna get straight away Numlock keyboard with pay extra £30, not 120 for new, or waiting 1 month for upgrade with the same price. Okay guys, unboxing is done. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel today, because soon is coming new movies and I really appreciate it if you can subscribe just now. I hope that I help you as well. If yes, so just thumbs up. This video I prepared especially for you guys who planning to buy brand new iMac and want to be sure how to do it with this keyboard to not waiting 1 month. And also I showed you how it looks, the process of unboxing. All the information which I provide you anyway. I hope that this is something which you need. Thank you very much once again, and see you in next video just right here. Cheers guys.